All right. Second half of this little video. Now, for number 6 here, there's a couple of ways to solve it. I'm just going to go with the actual way, I suppose. So because this is a less than symbol, I know that we're going to have an and statement. Okay, so we're going to have 2x plus 4 is less than 8. That's the original. And, oh, can't spell and. And we're also going to have 2x plus 4 is greater than, so I flipped the sign, and negative 8. All right. Subtract 4. And this will give us 2x is greater than negative 12, negative 8 minus 4. And then divide by 2, and x is greater than negative 6. Okay? And then on the green one, same steps. We're going to minus 4. And then we're going to get 2x is less than 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay. Divide by 2. And we're going to get x is less than 2. All right. So these are our two conditions. The number has to be bigger than negative 12, or sorry, bigger than negative 6, and it's got to be less than 2. So that's what we're looking for. Bigger than negative 6 and less than 2. Well, I'm guessing this would be our answer right there. 0. Is it between negative 6 and 2? Yes, it is. Negative 2, is that between negative 6 and 2? Yes, it is. So these three numbers, when you plug them in for x here, it will work. Whatever this whole thing is, when you take the absolute value, it will be less than 8. Okay. Let's see. Number 7. All right, so we have an open dot at 4. So that's like going to be a parenthesis at 4. And we've got a bracket at 9. So it's going to be a 4, 9, and a bracket. So bracket is for closed dots, and open dots are for the 4. Okay. So, yep, looks like option C. Number 8. So over here, this is your negative infinity. So way off to the left. Over here would be positive infinity. So the interval notation is all the numbers from negative infinity, and that always has a parenthesis on it, all the way until it gets to right here, which is negative 7. Okay, and a closed dot there, so it is going to include the negative 7. Okay. Pause here. All right, let's look at our last problems here. So number 9, it's asking for what are the solutions? Well, actually, I don't think I need my pen for this one. What are the solutions to negative 8 is less than 4x is less than 12? All right, let's see if this pen tool will work. So the key here is to look at the negative 8 and the 12. If I just kind of ignore this 4x for a second, that's going to say negative 8. Ooh, that's bad. Negative 8 is greater than 12. I'll repeat that. Negative 8 is greater than 12. That's what this says. Okay. If I can back out here. Jeez. Yeah, negative 8 is not greater than 12. So this statement makes no sense. That's why the answer is no solutions for this one. All right. Number 10. What are the solutions for negative 6x plus 4 is less than 16. I'm going to go ahead and solve this one out here. Okay, so solving for this x, we will minus 4 from both sides. That's going to give us negative 6x is less than 16 minus 4 is 12. And then we can divide by negative 6. Divide by negative 6. And because we divided by a negative here, we're going to flip this sign. So x is greater than negative 2. So that's our solution. All the numbers that are bigger than negative 2. So if I had my number line, it'd be an open dot at negative 2 going to the right. All right. So this is, for interval notation, this is going to be negative 2 to infinity. But see, we're not including the negative 2. That's why it has the parentheses on it. Okay. So negative 2 to infinity would have been option B in this case. All right, number 11, last one here. What are the solutions to the absolute value of 2x is greater than a negative? So this is a special case here. So notice our absolute value here. This is always going to be positive. No matter what happens in the world, this is always going to be positive. Well, it could be 0, but that's okay. Now it's saying that this positive number is greater than negative 4. And if you think of all the positive numbers that you can ever think of, no matter what they are, every single one of them is greater than negative 4. All positive numbers are greater than negative 4. All right. So in this case, it's going to be all real numbers. All right. So that was our quiz. Hopefully you guys got something out of this, and hopefully you're ready for our test whenever we have a test over all this. So good luck. See you later.